What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be about Metamask, okay, guys? So there is some misinformation going on about Metamask, okay? Because recently, so if you use Metamask on a daily basis, you probably have seen a pop-up and in regards to new terms and conditions, okay? So you either accept or decline, okay? And on that pop-up, right, so there is um a section 4.3, okay, where it says something around these words, okay? So the platform can withhold taxes whenever necessary, okay? So a lot of people just read this thing and were like, whoa, 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 I don't want to pay no taxes, okay? So after that, okay, the rumors and the FUD started to going on, okay? But you know, the CEO or one of the team members behind the MetaMask, okay, they come out and say the consensus. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this, consensus or something like that. Okay, the makers of the popular MetaMask browser-based crypto wallet called out tweets circulating with inaccurate information about the terms and conditions. Okay, and they stated that MetaMask does not collect taxes on crypto transactions, and we have not made any changes to our terms to do so. Okay, so the tax section in our terms of service falls under the fees and payment section, and it exclusively pertains to products and paid payments offered by consensus, the company explains. Okay, so the terminology can be complex, but it's crucial to emphasize that this section does not apply to MetaMask or any other projects that don't involve sales taxes. Okay, on the Twitter, they posted this. Okay, we are aware of the FUD, okay, misinformation, and all that. And to clarify, they explain everything right here. The tax session in our terms falls under fees and payments. Okay, and other Twitter accounts, they mention that, and they say usually that falls under fees and payments, just like Amazon or any other places. But this guy right here, you can see that breaking news: MetaMask new update in terms and policy will withhold your taxes. Decentralization is dying. Okay, so the guy just highlighted this right here. Okay, but it's very important to read the full information and have the full picture. Don't just go and based on what you see right here and without seeing the full picture. Okay, that's how FUD is created. Okay, guys. So again, uh, make sure you do your own research. Go over to the consensus terms and conditions and fully read and understand what they actually saying. Okay, guys. But if you're still skeptical about MetaMask, you can always use the wallets like Rabbits, Trust Wallets, and a few other wallets. Okay, but I'm still rolling with MetaMask. Okay, I'm cool with it. Okay, so just wanted to give you guys the heads up about the FUD, the rumor that is going on about MetaMask crypto taxes. Okay, again, MetaMask will not, what does it say? MetaMask will not withhold your taxes. MetaMask will not collect taxes on crypto transactions, and we have not made any changes to our terms to do so. Okay, guys, that being said, so that's all I got for you right now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.